where there's chicks, there's food. But in this boarding school, there are no free handouts. He'll just have to learn to be patient. Back in the rock upper colony, Mom's work is almost done. Well, some chicks are in that awkward teenage phase. Hers is looking sleek, which means only one thing. The time has finally come for a light to see. She'll never see him again. Evie Lonely always takes a leap of faith. Ahead lies the long journey to the fishing port. One day, he'll return here to start a family of his own.